There's something too about having these kinds of horses that they have jobs, they have purpose, and being able to apply their jobs and their purpose and having clients see that they have their jobs, their purpose, right? We actually can empathize with them. We can actually look up to them. I think when people are dealing with the addictive behavior or the trauma that is behind it, they're kind of coming out of the fog, so to speak, and now they're getting in touch with some pretty harsh reality and could be some harsh emotions. The horses, they're not judging that. They don't know where they may have been in the past. They don't know how their behavior was. They don't know about, the forgiveness that might be taking part in their lives, right? The horses just see them right there in that moment, and they just want to engage with them, right? Or they just want to be around them. So there's this place of, this horse can forgive me, this horse could be around me, this horse feels safe in my presence in this time, where maybe last month nobody felt safe around me, nobody felt comfortable around me, right? But this guy does right now, right? So to me, that's a mastery experience. That's something to draw on into the future, right? A lot of the stuff that we do in session, I say it's kind of like Karate Kid, wax on, wax off, right? We're not kicking up, as my instructor said, we're not kicking up a lot of dust here, but we're making significant changes to the way that we're thinking and the way that we're adapting to things. So it just depends. With the recovery groups, we see folks that come out, they might be in that pink haze, as they call it, and so we're gonna work with them with the horses. Sometimes they don't feel good. Sometimes nobody wants to, get up. They're not feeling great, right? Totally get it. But it's a great opportunity to be around the horses and to check in with self and to see, I'm noticing I'm not feeling good and I don't want to participate. That's great. But you'll notice that even if they're not participating, they're still outside. They're still amongst these gorgeous animals. And so typically they improve throughout the session. And so maybe the next time they come out, they might think, you know what, I didn't do anything last time. I'm feeling a little bit better today. I might go walk around with Butterscotch, or I might just even pet him, right? I might just see, how present do I actually feel in this moment? And so you'll see people progress pretty much throughout the day, throughout the weeks, throughout the months. Even with our clients that might be coming out for equine psychotherapy, I know in my mind that there's probably a lot of stabilization that needs to take place and a lot of resources that they could use for tools. In the EMDR world, that's considered phase 2 of EMDR, which is all resourcing, all stabilization skills. So for example, right now, looking at Butterscotch, I would say that he's in a pretty darn calm state, right? And his calm state right now is really very clear, and I'm really picking it up, right? I notice he's being calm because he's allowing me to cuddle with him. He's alert, he's looking around a bit, but I heard him blow a couple times and relax, and he's licking and chewing. I can see his little leg is kind of propped like this, right? So I'm noticing the calm state within Butterscotch, and as I'm doing that, I'm starting to notice the calm state within myself. So I'm starting to feel relaxation in my shoulders and in my hips. And so I'm able to create this resource as a calm state that I could use throughout the day. And that's pretty similar to what we do with our clients. We can create a calm state with Butterscotch that they could use for when things become overwhelming, and it can help them with self-soothing. When I show up to work every day, I still have to pinch myself that this is actually, and I'm getting emotional even just thinking about it, that this is actually my world and this is my life. I am so blessed and I am so grateful for all of the things that have put me in this path and to be here right now. And working with the clients that I have and with the horses that I have and the staff that I work with. I just am continuously thankful and grateful for this ability. And just seeing, for me, seeing people, and as I say, sort of come out of the fog and come into reality and into the present moment and engaging with the horses, you can't put a price tag on that. It's the most rewarding and beneficial thing I've ever experienced in my life. And these guys do it. We see the change